way. You won't believe how they build a whole car. I just saw it. It's so cool. Let's check it out. It seems impossible, right? But factories spit them out super fast. How do they even do it? A long time ago, one super skilled person built a whole car by hand. So slow.
Yeah, that way was crazy slow and made cars only for rich people, man. Something had to change.
Then this guy, Henry Ford, had a genius idea. And get this, from a meatpacking plant. He made the moving assembly line. And boom, build time dropped from hours to minutes. So gempa la. His dream was to make cars for everyone, not just the rich. And guess what? It worked. All right, so how do they do it now? Let's check out a modern superfactory. Whoa, look at this. It's the whole map of the factory. Let's break down the main parts. Okay, first up, stamping. This is where the car's body gets its actual shape. These giant machines press huge metal sheets into doors and stuff, just like a massive cookie cutter. Next is body in white. Sounds weird, I know. It's basically where they build the car's skeleton. Look at all these pieces. Robots weld them together perfectly. It's like a giant metal puzzle. So cool. This chart shows how it all comes together. The floor, the sides, the roof, everything gets connected.
All right, we've got a body. Now for the fun part, the paint job. Let's go to the paint shop.
It's not just one spray, They clean it and add special coatings to stop rust first.
This is the final and most exciting part. All the other pieces are finally added to the car.
The engine, wheels, seats, the dashboard, everything goes in now. This is where it becomes a real car.
And after one last check, a brand new car rolls off the line, ready to go. So satisfying.
So what does this all mean? This whole amazing process isn't magic? It's pure science and engineering. Seriously, think about it. Engineers design the robots, the factory layout, the materials, everything. All this awesome tech was designed by engineers. Maybe you could be the one to design the next super factory.